Beginner's Guide to CNC Blueprint Reading. CNC Blueprint Reading is an essential skill for anyone who wants to work in the CNC machining industry. Blueprints are the technical drawings that are used to communicate the design and specifications of a part to the machinist. By learning how to read blueprints, machinists can ensure that they are producing parts that meet the required tolerances and dimensions. What is a CNC blueprint? A CNC blueprint is a technical drawing that is used to communicate the design and specifications of a part to the machinist. The blueprint will typically include the following information: the part name and number, the material from which the part is to be made, the dimensions of the part, the tolerances of the part, the surface finish of the part, the machining operations that are to be performed on the part. How to read a CNC blueprint. There are a few basic steps that you can follow to learn how to read a CNC blueprint. Familiarize yourself with the different types of lines used in blueprints. There are three main types of lines: object lines, hidden lines, and center lines. Object lines represent the visible edges of the part. Hidden lines represent the edges of the part that are not visible. And center lines are used to represent the center of the part. Learn how to read dimensions. Dimensions are used to specify the size of the part. They are typically given in inches or millimeters. Learn how to read tolerances. Tolerances are used to specify the allowable variation in the size of the part. They are typically given in inches or millimeters. Learn how to read surface finish symbols. Surface finish symbols are used to specify the desired roughness of the surface of the part. Learn how to read machining symbols. Machining symbols are used to specify the machining operations that are to be performed on the part. Resources for learning CNC blueprint reading. There are a number of resources available to help you learn how to read CNC blueprints. These resources include books, online courses, community colleges, apprenticeship programs. Tips for beginners. Here are a few tips for beginners who are learning how to read CNC blueprints. Start with simple blueprints and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Use a ruler or measuring tape to help you visualize the dimensions of the part. Ask a mentor or instructor for help if you are having difficulty understanding a particular blueprint. With practice, you will be able to learn how to read CNC blueprints and become a skilled CNC machinist.